Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and I am Mayank Kumar and I will have the discussion over the US election. So we know the role of US as the superpower of the globe. So now we will have the discussion over it only. The election. So Joe Biden finally came as the president of US on 7th November of this year, and he was elected as the president of US. He was 46th president of US, and Kamala Harris came out as the vice president of US, and she has some connection with India also, so it's very proud for us also. So Joe Biden belongs to the party named Democrats, and his opposition means the opposition of Democrats, Republic. We can say that these two parties are the major parties of United States, and this time we had the Trump as the representative of the party Republics. And now if we go back to the history, then we saw that the Democrats came, means the Democrats won 15 elections, and Republican Party won 16 elections, and this is 15th win of Democrats. So here you can see the graph which has been shown by the Hindu, and here it is all. And the most important thing which I would like to tell, and which is different from India, that is ki their president is elected directly by the people. And there we have another uniqueness, is that if a particular party won means many seats from a particular state, then it is understood that that particular party only won whole seats from that particular state. So it is very unique, but whatever it is of USA. And another thing, we have some more things to tell about that. It has not been finally confirmed. There are small procedures also which we will have in December and January, and so there also we might get some changes. And there is another rule of US regarding the president, that if accidentally president expires, then directly the vice president will become the president of USA. So it might also happen. And then along with that, I'm gonna tell you that there are 538 seats total. There are 538 seats in whole United States, and as you know that if we means get more than half of it, then we will elect our means representative who will be the president of that particular country. So it was all a little information regarding the US election, and be with us, and hope you liked the video, got some information. So watch videos continuously like this, and we will meet in next video. Bye bye guys.